Today I have my Hermes mini bag unboxing. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting video for you guys today. It's Hermes unboxing of mini handbag. I'm so excited. This is actually my very last unboxing from my Paris trip, so I hope you will enjoy this unboxing as well. Just a full disclaimer, if you're looking for quarter bag unboxing, this is not a quarter bag. It's quite desirable mini bag, but not a quarter. So I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. Let's start doing unboxing, and then I will tell you the story of this handbag, etc, etc. It's been actually sitting in my closet for almost 2 months actually since I got it, because clearly it's like a little bit spilling of the tea. It's more of the summer handbag. It's also in new color. Look at this cutie. So tiny handbag, sorry, dust bag. So it comes also with a raincoat, care booklet, and with a pillow. So the whole package of Hermes. One more thing guys I want to mention: when you're buying anything from Paris, I don't know why, but they remove all the stickers. So like for example in my local boutiques, they only always leave the stickers, you know, of the name of the handbag, etc. Anyway, I digress. Ignore all of this. So da 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 da. Oh, so tiny. So let me present to you, this is mini Bolide, and you know that this year it's actually 100 years since Hermes start producing mini Bolides. So it's exactly 100 years. It's in new color. It's mauve pale. It's so pale, kind of lilac-y pink, that it's almost looking like a white. So gorgeous. And it's also in the leather ever color, so it's stamped leather, so it's kind of quite durable with palladium plated hardware. But this bag even more special. I will show to you right now why. So I have over here a strap. The mini Bolide doesn't come with the padlock, because there is not even opening, it's just a strap. So the strap is so tiny, literally it's so tiny. Let me show you. It still has plasticky things. See how tiny? Absolutely the tiniest things ever. So let me show you what is so special about this handbag. As you can see, it's absolutely perfect summer handbag. And if you're looking right, like see, this is a pure white color, and this is mauve pale. It almost looks like white with just a hint of the pink, lavender pink. And look at the inside. It's a lucky green color inside, and the color of the inside, I believe it's vert jade. I have to look at my receipt. If I'm saying right now wrongly, then I will put information over here, but from what I remember, it's a vert jade color inside. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy. So guys, I just received the mommy silk duvet cover, and it's made of bamboo. Absolutely gorgeous packaging. And let me open up the package and show you how it looks like on the bed. So here's the duvet. It's on my bed right now, and I thought I'm gonna steam it, but then you know what, I decided to show you exactly how it looks like from the packaging. So this is just I don't know, like a cover. You can, I guess, even wash it in that one. And I want to show you also, guys, that previously I got my pillows from Mommy Silk, and I already used them a bunch and washed them so many times, and they still look like very nice. So that's how you create a magical sleep in your bedroom. Silk pillowcases, silk duvet cover. Can you imagine how it's gonna look like at night? Because right now it's a daytime. Clearly I want to film and show you the quality. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I already feel like, you know, it's so nice. I almost want to dive inside this bed. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Mommy Silk, so very much. So there you go, guys. Duvet. And that's how it looks like in the bedroom. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And this handbag looks tiny, but let's say, because I also asked at the boutique, can I try it on my cell phone, and they go, yes, absolutely. My cell phone, it's iPhone 12. It's not maxi, but it's not mini either, and it's with the case, and you can see it's very easily goes in, and there is a plenty of space to plenty of room inside to put your wallet, not even card holder, just a regular wallet, your car key, even the sunglasses will go on top. Absolutely love it. I think this is the cutest things ever, and it couldn't be any more perfect. But just receiving this handbag on 100 years anniversary of Bolide, I'm literally couldn't be any more happier. As I said, it's very kind of not strange but different per se for me, because whatever I purchase from Hermes in Paris, it doesn't matter, shoes, boots, scarves, like, you know, my quota bag, they remove everything from the boxes. They remove any possible information. I don't know, maybe they're trying actually to keep more kind of luxurious looking, I'm not sure, but they remove everything from the boxes. In our local boutique, they don't. They just keep it, like, you know, all the information on the boxes and give it to customers like that. I actually like it more with the stickers, because in this case, if I'm gonna keep my handbag in a box, it's easier for me to find out what's inside of each boxes, because I'm getting to that point, not yet, but I'm getting to that point that I have enough of Hermes handbags that I actually have to go through the boxes to find the correct one. So anyway, by the way, guys, my Hermes collection is not that big, but if you want me to do kind of like, you know, Hermes handbag collection video where I'm gonna say, you know, my favorite, my least favorite, etc. So this is my newest one. Let me just adjust light, maybe it will like, see, right now it's a daylight with no lighting at all. Actually, maybe I should even remove the top light. Just give me 1 second, I will remove the top light. So right now it doesn't have any light inside this room, just a daylight, and that's how it looks like. It's absolutely neutral pale, perfect for the summer. Absolutely perfect for the summer. So let me turn the lights on back. So that's about it for today, guys. This is my unboxing of my new mini Bolide. This is so tiny. I actually have difficulties to put it on because like I need my glasses to put on. I don't want to make any scratches, etc. But this is my new mini Bolide. I think it's absolutely... Oh, one thing I forgot to show you guys, because when I was purchasing this handbag, I asked also my essay in Paris if she could give me any Rodeo or, you know, the bag charm that could go on this beautiful handbag. And I already did unboxing of this one. She offered me this Rodeo, and it's also mauve pale black, and I believe it's either chai or sesame. Look how pretty, look how pretty, absolutely perfect. Maybe I should actually keep everything away, and this could be my thumbnail. Yay! So that's about it, guys, for today. That's my unboxing. That's my new summer mini. I actually don't have anything in such a light color. I'm excited and a bit nervous, and this is also first time I have Ever Color in my collection. As I said, Ever Color, it's like a Epsom stamped leather, but it's much softer, and the grains are much smaller, so it's a little bit more delicate, but it's also stamped leather. It's kind of delicate, but at the same time, because it's a stamped leather, it's kind of tough. Really cute. So happy and excited to use this beautiful handbag in summer. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me likes, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.